Welcome to day 18 of your 30-day yoga challenge. Today we have a full body yoga flow with a dancer pose at the end of the class. To begin, come into tabletop position on your hands and knees for a few rounds of cat and cow and upper body circles. Inhale with neutral spine. Exhale, press the floor away around the back. Inhale, drop the belly, lift your heart, and exhale, round again. Move with your breath a few times, warming up the spine. One more inhale. Exhale around, and from here start making circles with your torso. Move the body to the side, drop the belly down into back bend to the other side and round the upper body again. Just moving and letting the breath flow. Change direction, a few circles to the other side. And come back to a neutral tabletop position. From here, lower down to your belly. Point your feet. Reach your arms back, palms facing down, thumbs pointing out to the sides. Press the tops of the feet into the mat and only lift your upper body and arms. Keep reaching back with the fingertips. Keep your neck in line with the rest of the spine, gazing forward or slightly down. One more inhale to lift a little higher. And with exhale, release. Press up to your hands and knees. Move the knees forward to do the same stretch we did yesterday. Sit on your heels and walk your hands back as far as you need to find the stretch on your thighs and hips. You can again lift the hips, squeeze the glutes slightly before you release them down again. A few moments stretching the front of the hips because they are also a big part of the back bends, not just your back, but the hips as well. Slowly make your way out of this pose into downward facing dog. Take one breath. And then step, walk or jump your feet to the top of the mat into forward bend. Inhale, half lift, straight spine. And exhale, fall down over the legs. With inhale, roll up to standing, reach your arms to the sky. Exhale, hands down by your sides. Bring weight into your right foot, pull your left heel towards the sit bones and catch the foot with your left hand. Right hand on the hip for balance. Find a focusing point for your gaze. Hold your balance. Change sides, bring weight into your left foot and pull your right heel towards the sit bones. Left hand on the hip, a few breaths. Focusing on the balance here. Release your right foot down, find your mountain pose with feet together or hip distance, and we will flow through 3 rounds of Sun Salutation A. With your next inhale, sweep your arms up to the sky, look up. Exhale, fall down from the hips, maybe also bend your knees. Inhale halfway up, straighten the spine. Exhale, hands down. Step back to plank, pause here for breath. And with your next exhale, slowly lower down to the belly, with your knees down or in one line. Inhale, lift the upper body, small cobra, pull your elbows back. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths here, pressing the floor away. Lifting the sit bones up, breathing deeply into the rib cage. With exhale, bend the knees, walk forward. Inhale halfway up, exhale forward bend. Come up to standing, sweep your arms up, inhale. Exhale, arms down by your sides. Inhale, reach your arms up, stretch up. Exhale, fold down over the legs. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, hands down, step back and lower down to the belly. Inhale for cobra, lift your chest, pull your shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe here. With inhale, widening the ribs. With exhale, drawing the ribs and navel in. With exhale, make your way to the top of the mat, step, walk or jump. Inhale halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. With inhale, raise up to standing, reach arms up. Exhale, arms down by the sides. One more round. Inhale, reach your arms up. Lengthen the body. Exhale, fall down from the hips. Inhale, straighten the spine. Exhale, step back into plank, lower down to the belly or chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 more breaths here. With your next exhale, make your way to the front of the mat. Inhale halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale all the way up, stretch up. Exhale, release your arms down. For dancer pose, press your palms together in front of your chest. Shift weight into your right foot. Draw your left heel to the sit bones. Catch your left foot with your left hand. And stay here if you are still working on the balance. If you are staying stable, press your left foot into your hand, lean your upper body forward, extend your right arm forward to find balance here. You can bend your standing leg if that helps you with the balance. Keep pressing your left foot back and up into your hand. Stay for a few breaths. Try again if you fall out. And when you've had enough, release your left foot down, shake everything out before you do the other side. Bring your palms to your heart, weight into your left foot. Draw your right heel towards the sit bone, catch the foot, find your balance first and then see if you want to stay here or go further. Press your foot into your hand and up towards the ceiling. Lean the torso forward, extend your left arm for counterbalance. And when you're ready, release your right foot down, back to mountain pose. With inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, fall down over the legs. Cross your shins here and try to sit down to the floor without using your hands. Then lower down to your back. Draw your knees in towards your chest. Massage your lower back by rocking side to side or circling your knees a few times in each direction. Then stay here, pulling your knees towards your chest. You can take them a little wider like you are in reclined child's pose. Or come into happy baby. Hold the outsides of your feet with your hands. Soles of the feet up to the ceiling. Knees pressed down towards the armpits. You can also rock side to side in this one if that feels nice. And release your feet down to the mat. Straighten your arms out in line with the shoulders for a quick twist. Cross your right knee over the left. Take your hips to the right and lower the knees to the left. A few breaths, breathe all the way down into your belly and lower back. Bring your knees back to center. Cross your left knee over the right. Hips move a little more to the left as you lower the knees to the right. And stay for a few more breaths on this side. Come back to center, straighten the legs, reach your arms overhead for one more big full body stretch. And then make your way up into comfortable cross-legged sit. Sit up tall, release your hands to the knees and close your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart. And open the eyes to finish this practice. I hope you enjoyed your practice today. Let me know how dancer pose was for you. I wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 19. Bye!